Hi guys, may buntag. Greetings here from NAIA Terminal 1, Gate 5. Ang biyahe ginamo later on is napasa alas 12. So, mas maigin ang sayugin mo, no? Especially kasi immigration. Grabe! Kataas ang line sa immigration yun. So, para safe and then dili mo mabalakas inyong biyahe, importante sa'yo kita dapat idirigin. And then, considering Manila, biyan, so grabe kataas ang traffic yun po. Okay? And also, please don't forget to bring your very important documents such as the passport and then and IDs. And then also, before checking in, don't forget to bring your power banks with you. Bawal i-check in ang batteries. So dapat i-hand carry gina siya gina. For sure, maybe for safety purposes. Okay? So, mayroon po nang idala ninyong power banks ninyo, okay? Para po kung maluba rin yung phone, at least makut-kutan ninyo ang inyong power banks, diba? And also, don't forget to bring your toiletries with you. And most importantly, don't forget to bring cash. Like this, most especially pag magpunta sa abroad. Kaya importante ginang cash, no? Is food. And also, mas mahirap ang dala mong dollars ito. Siguro sa $100 minimum na dalawa ninyo amount. So, may nang, the more dollars you have, mas importante nga dako-dako kay para pwede na mo mag-lisod pa. And also, mas may nang taas ang currency ninyong dalhon kay para taas mo ang exchange dito sa other country, especially sa Korea na akong biyahe karon. And you know what, I'm so excited yun. So this is my 4th time na mag-upload me for our outing. So I'm so thankful to Giordano Philippines for making it possible yun. And yeah, nanako dito sa Gate 5. I'm still waiting for the others to join me here. And I'm also waiting for the plane. Tara mo abot siya. Kamay na lang git kulang din. Larga na yun eh. So update na lang ta guys, ha? Mayong muntag diya. Ingat mo. I love you. Hi guys, I'm seated in the window area. It's so nice so that we can have a clear view of the skies later. And I'm so excited again. So excited for the trip. How are you guys? Everybody's so busy. Welcome to Korea! Yay! 감사합니다. Hi. We're here. Hi guys, so we're off to the apartment. Muna mong bus no, tanawagan eh. So we're leaving the airport.
Announce ko yung room number ninyo ha. May nandito sa bus. Si Tyrone and Kevin, si Tyrone and si Mike, 3rd floor, 302, for 2 nights only. Tapos,
hi guys, nan ako sa kwarto na mo. Look oh. So, hindi na ako magawas. Ako yung food sa akin yung bag. So, nanami sa mga apartment and nami diri karon sa Seoul, yung Masayong San. Ako kapto dito sa asan yung lugar no. Pero i-tour ta mo sa akong place diri para po makita ninyo ang view ba, no? Karon na. So this is the window. Bed, window. And then nasa this is the mutlaw sa siya. Mutlaw sa siya. And then this is the ref. Tara. Kung food dara. And then closet. Closet here. And the CR. Gamay ra kayong CR. And we have a light there. And then yeah, muna yung kitchen area. Laptop. I'm uploading the Kaamulan video. And then sa katas-taas. So ayun, one lang place, Sora. So muna ang bird's eye view lugar kumbaga. Char. So dili itse nga nakadako yun, pero my gosh, grabe kabugnaw. Like mabuang ka sa kabugnaw. Or yung lahi lagi ni. I think this is tonight is 11 degrees to kami karon. So I hope everything is just fine there guys. And tomorrow we will be going to Nami Island. And guys, basi mautan na mo nga nawalay tao diri no. Nanggawa sila because mag-dinner sila. Ako magud kay di makikuga dinner magud kaya good kay, you know, I'm on a strict program. Char. But dinner sila tanan mo nang nag-grab na ng opportunity na mag-video ko. Okay? And guys, one good thing about this apartment, na ay washing machine, no? Pwede na takalabaan yung ma. So yeah, that's it. So hope to see you very, very, very soon. I'll just update you guys.